Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The repeated force of crunches can cause the discs in your back to bulge. The gel nucleus of the disc bulges, pressing on nerves, causing lower back pain and potentially causing a herniated disc. 21 January 2019.
Take our lead.
Generally speaking, Jay says, most people shouldn't do ab workouts more than 6 times a week. Not only do your abs need a break, but so does the rest of your body. So, the short answer is yes, you can train abs in some way, shape or form every single day, assuming you're healthy and injury-free. 27 August 2020.
Take our lead.
2. Train your abs every single day. Just like any other muscle, your abs need a break too. That doesn't mean you can't activate your ab muscles during your warm-up with exercises like planks, inchworms, and other balance and stabilization exercises, but you shouldn't train them every day. 27 May 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Like sit-ups, crunches help you build muscle. This intense muscle isolation makes them a popular exercise for people trying to get six-pack abs. This also makes them ideal for strengthening your core, which includes your lower back muscles and obliques.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.